Day after attack on Abhishek, TMC MP Kalyan Banerjee morphed injured in clash outside police station near Kolkata. Senior Trinamool Congress MP Kalyan Banerjee sustained a head injury during a clash outside the Chanditala police station in West Bengal's Hooghly district on Sunday. The incident took place amid rising political tensions in the area. TMC supporters had gathered near the police station to submit a memorandum. They were demanding the release of several party leaders and activists who had been arrested recently. According to reports, the situation turned tense when BJP workers arrived at the spot. Both groups soon came face to face. Slogans were raised from both sides. The exchange quickly escalated into a heated confrontation. Witnesses said BJP workers shouted anti-TMC slogans and accused the ruling party's supporters of corruption. TMC workers also responded strongly. The atmosphere became increasingly charged within minutes. As the confrontation intensified, chaos broke out near the police station premises. During the clash, Kalyan Banerjee was allegedly attacked and suffered a head injury. Visuals from the scene showed the TMC MP holding a wet handkerchief and against his head. Party workers surrounded him as he moved away from the area. He later received medical attention.
To meet with the officer in charge of the Chonditola police station and to give deputation. While I was coming by car, there was a tremendous traffic congestion at Chonditola market. That time, I was walking with my PSO at Chonditola Mode, which is 50 kilometer distance from Chonditola police station. There was 10 or 15 BJP goons with saffron, that cloth. All of a sudden shouted slogans and created a rivalry atmosphere. They were abusing me, but I was proceeding. And that point of time, a stone was thrown at my head. It is now 2 hours ago. Yes. Yes. And there was blood also in my kurta and pajama.
A large police force was deployed to bring the situation under control. Central security personnel were also present at the spot. Security forces formed barriers between rival groups and worked to prevent further violence. Speaking after the incident, Kalyan Banerjee strongly condemned the attack. He alleged that he was deliberately targeted while heading towards the police station to submit the deputation. The TMC leader described the incident as an attack on democratic rights. He said party workers were peacefully protesting and exercising their constitutional right to submit a memorandum. Banerjee also accused political opponents of attempting to disrupt the protest. He claimed the violence was unprovoked and unnecessary. The BJP, however, rejected the allegations. Party leaders accused the TMC of creating unrest and attempting to shift blame. The opposition party maintained that its workers were not responsible for the violence. The clash has further intensified the political battle between the TMC and the BJP in West Bengal. The state has witnessed several political confrontations in recent weeks. Authorities are reviewing the circumstances that led to the violence. Police are expected to examine video footage and eyewitness accounts. Additional security measures have also been put in place in the area. No major escalation was reported after security forces intervened. However, tensions remain high. The incident has once again highlighted the deep political divisions in the state. Both parties continue to trade accusation as the controversy over the clash grows. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share, and subscribe the channel.